Raj wants high returns but is nervous about the ups and downs in the stock market. The Shahs need regular income without putting their corpus at risk. The Kumars want their investments to grow enough to finance an overseas degree. Ayesha would like to diversify her portfolio but does not have the time or the expertise. These investors have different financial goals but one common objective. They want good returns but without too much risk. Balanced funds' inbuilt asset allocation may be appealing for various investor categories. A balanced fund invests in a portfolio of equity and debt in a specified ratio. When companies are making good profits and stock markets are rising, Raj will benefit from inflation-beating equity returns. In a downturn, his returns will be potentially protected by stable interest payments from debt. A balanced fund can do better than pure debt options, but is less volatile than pure equity, making it ideal for stable growth over the long term. Conservative investors can enjoy the extra gains from equity exposure without losing out on stability. A balanced fund combines the best of both equity and debt, so you enjoy the greatest return of all: peace of mind. Balanced funds are usually open-ended and without any lock-in period, so you can redeem the fund anytime either for realizing your goal or meeting any other requirement. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.